This might be the most satisfying chicken sandwich you'll ever make at home. Crispy chicken, creamy mashed potatoes, and a KFC-style coleslaw all packed into one incredible bite. Slice 2 chicken breasts horizontally to make 4 thin chicken cutlets. Cover the chicken with a plastic bag and give it a few good pounds until it's nice, thin, and even. For a flavorful marinade, mix olive oil, mayo, mustard, salt, black pepper, paprika, oregano, and garlic powder. Give the chicken a good toss in the marinade until every cutlet is fully coated with all that flavor. Pop it in the fridge for at least 4 hours so the chicken can soak up all the flavor and get even more delicious. Start by finely shredding half a head of green cabbage using a vegetable peeler or a grater until you get a delicate strip. And finally, add a large carrot, freshly grated, to bring in that extra crunch and color. For the dressing, mix mayo, mustard, salt, pepper, and a bit of balsamic or apple cider vinegar. Finish it off with a splash of Sprite and whisk until it's creamy, tangy, and perfectly balanced. Pour the dressing over the shredded cabbage and carrots, then toss everything together until it's nicely coated and well combined. To make soft and creamy mashed potatoes, start by peeling the potatoes and cutting them into quarters. Next, boil the potatoes in water until they are completely soft and fork tender. Mash the potatoes while they are still hot, adding salt, and press them down firmly with a fork or masher until they are super smooth and lump-free. Add the full-fat milk in 2 parts, start with half of it, then mash it in until the potatoes fully absorb the milk. Now add the butter and mash it in until it's fully melted and blended into the potato. Add the rest of the milk and keep mashing until it's completely absorbed and the potatoes are smooth, soft, and creamy. Add a little freshly grated nutmeg on top to finish it off. Crack in 2 large eggs, add a little water, and whisk until the mixture is smooth and no longer streak. Prepare 1 plate of flour and another one with orange panko breadcrumb. Coat the marinated chicken in egg, then flour. Back into egg, and finally into the panko breadcrumb. And then shake off the excess. To get an extra even and flaky coating, cover the chicken with plastic wrap or a bag and lightly press it with a rolling pin so the panko really adheres and won't come off while frying. Fry the chicken in enough hot oil over medium-low heat until it's golden, crispy, and fully cooked inside. To assemble the sandwich, slice the ciabatta bread open, spread a layer of creamy mashed potatoes, add the crispy chicken cutlets, and finish with a generous layer of coleslaw. If you love this recipe, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe, and stick around for more long-form cooking videos coming soon. This sandwich is on another level. Crispy, juicy chicken, creamy mashed potatoes, and that fresh coleslaw all coming together perfectly. Enjoy!